Okay, this is my bike check, and let's see, I have Odyssey JPEG, Primo N4 FL hub laced to a Primo balance with the Animal GLH tire, just from stock forks. They're pretty nice for stock. Stolen TLC stem, top load. Grips, ODI. Bars, S&M Grand Slam. Frame, it's just the premium Garret Reynolds, I think. Yeah. And then cranks, I don't know. They're just some shitty ones my friend gave to me. And then a proper sprocket. KMC KOOL chain. Pedals, Colony Fantastic Plastic. Seat post, a pivotal seat post with a Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat, plastic. Another Odyssey JPEG in the back. Primo drive side and a hub guard. Just a premium rear hub with lace to a Alienation Delinquent with a fit FAF tire in the back, and just a Ritchey headset. I think I got everything. Shit happens sticker. And I think that's it. Oh, and for those guys who want the noise, so I think that's everything. And that's my bike check. Yeah.